Welcome to Nasher Miles. In this tutorial, we will show you how to reset the number lock for your Nasher Miles bag. When you receive the bag delivery, the number lock will be set at any random number and you won't be able to open it. For safety reasons, we have kept the default code as either 000 or 999. You can try with 999 and open it. Or try 000 and open the lock. Once you open the lock, you can change the code as per your choice of numbers. Slide the button that is used for opening the lock and then move the numbers and set the number of your choice. For example, I have set it to 123. Once the number is set, release the button and the number will be your new passcode for the bag. If you forget the passcode, locate the grooves on all three numbers as shown in the video. On each wheel, there is a gap below a certain number. Locate all three and align it in the center. Align the grooves with its corresponding number. Add one number to each section and move it in the same anti-clockwise direction. And every time, try and open it with sliding the button. It will open after 4 or 5 attempts. The number on which it will open is your new passcode. Please see the grooves location as shown in this video for your convenience.